Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting another video in my Sri Lankan acrylic painting series, and today I'll be painting this lovely picture in the Sri Lankan countryside. Now list the equipment down in the description below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so first of all, I'll put primary blue into the corners of the sky, working my way down towards the bottom of the canvas, getting lighter, and then I'll put in the distant hills using a bluish grey, and then I'll put in the middle ground hills using a lightish green without much detail, and then I'll put a closer hill in with a little bit more detail, but for now I'm just adding the background. Then I begin working on the details in the background hills, and I put an undercoat onto the foreground hill. Now finally I finished my acrylic underpainting. Now I begin working in oils onto the distant hill in the middle ground. I remember to use vibrant colours so the sunlight reflecting off the hill stands out against the foreground hills and the background hills. And now I'm working my way towards the front of the picture, applying detail to a closer hill. Okay, so the reason I'm working more in oils is so that I get that brighter colour for a change, rather than using duller colours in acrylics. I paint the background in acrylics in a duller colour, and then the foreground in oils much darker and much more vibrant. Using lightish yellows and slightly dark greens, I apply the foliage in the foreground. Then I work on the closest hill using light yellows and light greens, and applying dark colours towards the crevices and rocks on the hill. And finally I touch up the sides of the hills and touch up the foliage, and it's finished. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Rolling Hills in the Sri Lankan Countryside. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.